What is Hampshire County Council going to do to put footpath number 7 Fareham back into repair? It runs along a sea wall which has sustained storm damage, and the following maps show its location. The path is located at the east side of the confluence of the River Hamble and Southampton Water. It is a continuation of a path along the east side of the River Hamble and leads out to a shingle bank and continues along the shore of Southampton Water. The shingle bank protects it to a certain extent. A side stream called Hook Lake passes through the seawall at this point via sluice gates. On the landward side of the gates is a nature reserve. There now follows a series of historical images from Google Earth. The main damage has been done at the point shown by an arrow. There now follows video material taken going from points A to B. This is the shingle bank and a view over Southampton Water. The path is subject to this temporary closure order, but the public are going around the fencing at both ends. This picture was taken before the storm. Gravel had been used to make up the path, and it was nice and level. This gravel has largely been washed away. Now to go along the path. The first significant damage is at the sluice gates, where there is a hole in the path. In sections there is a secondary path below the seawall on the nature reserve side. As the path bends right, there are cracks adjoining the seawall, and further around the seawall has been broken up by the storm. This is the end of the affected section. The footpath sign sends users of the England coast path inland. It no longer goes along the damaged path. The continuation of the path along the River Hamble is not affected to date.